Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard, and finally Redmi Note 7 is launched in China. Here are the top 5 features of Redmi Note 7, but before that let's talk about the specifications. So the Redmi Note 7 comes with the 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with 19:5:9 aspect ratio, and it is also has this 450 nits of brightness. This Redmi Note 7 comes with the dual nano SIM support and MIUI 10 that is built on top of the Android Oreo. Finally, the Redmi Note series is upgraded from Snapdragon 636 to Snapdragon 660, and this Redmi Note 7 is powered with the same 660 chipset. The Redmi Note 7 is backed up with 4000 mAh battery, and if talking about the cameras, then on the rear it has dual camera setup with huge 48 megapixel camera that is a Samsung G1 sensor with aperture of 1.8, and it is coupled with 5 megapixel camera that will be for depth sensing only. So there will also be a pro version in China that will be having the Sony IMX586 sensor that will be the same 48 megapixel camera, and it is said to be even more better than Samsung G1 sensor that is present on this Redmi Note 7. There is also this dual LED flash on the rear, and the good thing is that rear camera comes with EIS. On the front there is 13 megapixel sensor with that dewdrop notch, so you will no more see the big notch on this Redmi series. Now coming on to the top 5 features that I loved the most in this Redmi Note 7. So the first feature is the design. Redmi Note 7 has a glass on the back, and finally it comes with the Gorilla Glass 5 on both front and the rear. Second best feature of this Redmi Note 7 is the Snapdragon 660, and I am saying this because it is not underclocked processor. This is fully clocked 2.2 GHz processor. If talking about underclocked Snapdragon 660 smartphones, then Realme 2 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 and Vivo V11 Pro is having the underclocked Snapdragon 660 chipset. So now the third feature that I loved the most, and I think it is the best feature of Redmi Note 7, then it is the support of Quick Charge 4.0. I am just pretty amazed with this feature, and keep it in mind that this phone comes in the budget price segment. Yes, I know Redmi will not include the Quick Charge 4.0 supporting charger, but still, if Redmi is giving a Quick Charge 4.0 support in this Redmi Note 7, it is a huge thing. Now the fourth feature that has just blown my mind is the USB Type-C. Finally, in budget segment, and for the first time, USB Type-C port has been introduced to this Redmi series. So the Redmi Note 7 comes with the USB Type-C charging port. Finally, the fifth and most important aspect of this smartphone, that is Redmi Note 7, is the price. I am saying it because Redmi has aggressively priced this smartphone in China. So this smartphone comes with 3GB, 4GB and 6GB RAM variants, and in the internal memory it comes with the 32GB, 64GB and again a 64GB internal memory variants. So for the 3GB RAM and 32GB internal memory variant, it is priced for just 999 yuan, and that makes roughly 10,000 rupees. If still the Redmi Note 7 is priced for hardly 12,000 rupees in India, then this will be the smartphone with Snapdragon 660 at this price with whole best specs it is offering. So these were the 5 best features that I loved about this Redmi Note 7. What are your thoughts about Redmi Note 7? Comment below. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.